Zalmoxes, the last of a very ancient dinosaur lineage. This forest is one of their few remaining strongholds. 7 inches tall, baby Zalmoxes are no more than snacks for many predators. But snacks are nonetheless worth eating. So they have to be cautious. Hatzegopteryx stands 15 feet tall. It is, in fact, a pterosaur, a reptile with wings that here, as it stalks through the trees, it has to keep tightly folded. This forest, so rich in small creatures, is one of its regular hunting grounds.